This video will demonstrate how to submit a basic application through Connection Services in MyEnergy. Connection Services provides a guided application process through the We Connect You page. This video will demonstrate a new connection, though the steps and information required will vary depending on the application type selected. From the dashboard, select Apply Now from the New Application section under Connection Services. From the We Connect You page under I Want To, select the tile containing the application you wish to submit, in this case, request a new connection or supply. Scroll down and then under Select Which Type, select the specific type of application using the tiles provided, in this case, New Connections Metered. Once you have made your selection, a description of the application type will display. Verify that the application description you've been given is correct and then click Get Started. Before commencing a new application, make sure that you have all the details listed under Key Information Required and then scroll down and click Get Started Now. Once you commence an application, the steps will be listed on the left-hand side of the screen. As you move through each step, your progress will be highlighted. All mandatory fields are marked with a red asterisk and will need to be completed before you are allowed to progress to the next step. In this application, you will be able to save it as a draft at any stage by scrolling to the bottom of the screen and selecting Save as Draft. This will save the application where you leave it and allow you to return and complete it for 7 days before it will be deleted. If you wish to discard the application, you can do so at any time by navigating back to the dashboard by clicking the link in the navigation bar at the top left of the page. Start the application by completing the worksite address details in the fields provided, ensuring that the address is accurate. You'll need to ensure that you select the suburb and postcode from the drop-down menu that appears to ensure that the system accepts the detail as a valid address. Scroll down to Site Access Details and enter the information in the required fields either by typing or selecting from the drop-down menu provided. Though you aren't required to provide site contact details under normal circumstances, if access is restricted or gate locked with code are selected in the Access Instructions field, the Site Contact Details field becomes mandatory and must be populated. If a truck appointment is required, you must select Yes and then specify if the work is able to be done during business hours. If you select No, you will be asked what your preferred time slot is in the afternoon or the morning, and you will be asked to give an explanation as to why you require an after-hours appointment. Once this information has been entered, select Continue. Under Work Requirements, enter the application details or select the required information if the field has a drop-down box. Please note that certain fields will change or become mandatory depending on your selections. Once all this information has been entered, click Continue. Ensure that you enter the correct retailer details and customer details in the field provided. Ensure that all details are accurate and then click Continue. Ensure that the information that is pre-populated in this screen for your registered electrical contractor or licensed electrical worker is accurate, and then select Continue. Select Attachment if you have the CES document saved, and then upload the document and provide the CES number using the field provided. Otherwise, select Left on Site. If there are any other documents relevant to the application, you can upload these in the Other Attachment section and then click Continue. The confirmation section will display the indicative fee amount and provide the terms and conditions to which you must agree in order to submit the application. Scroll down to access the terms and conditions, select I agree, and then submit. Now the application has been completed, you could click on My Applications to view all draft, submitted, and completed applications. You will receive a notification either through email, SMS, or both that the application has been submitted, as will the property owner using the information and contact preferences entered in the Contact Details section of the application. With the application completed, you can now exit the screen. If any further action is required, you'll be notified as the application progresses.